ChandraAwesome. In this today's video, we are going to learn about to learn about the version history in Onshape. And before we learned about all the tools and how to work with the Onshape, the clinical tools, but we didn't discuss about how to work with the version history, which is mostly useful in Onshape. Okay, let's work with it. First of all, let's create a empty document. Next, I'm giving the name of version to it. Upon create, yes. Now we are in the new document, that is one past studio and one completely state. And first of all, let's understand what is the version history. Here we can see that at the left top side, you can see the version and history. Okay, click on it. So when I click on it, you can see some indications like a start and main. These are the stepwise version styles, just like a chapter. So for a particular version, it have different entities. So when I click on start, it's showing just empty. So when I click on the main, it shows empty, which means at the main only the actual changes will show, but we didn't do any changes. That's why it's showing the 0 changes for now. Okay, and these are the symbols to indicate what are the uses of it. This symbol means workspace, this is version, this is miss change. This indicates list candidate, links, content application, automatic version. Okay, so let's work out how to work with this version. Let's close it now. So working to main. Okay, now let's create some object. For now, I'm just going to sell the token, sell the sketch. I just want to use a cylinder. Okay, one cylinder. So here I created one sketch, right? So I want to make a version for this sketch only. How you can do that? Here you can see the plus button, which means create version. Click on it and it will show the pop-up here. And here you can give whatever the name you want. Right now I want to give the sketch v1 as a version. And here you can give the description also, which it explains what is the version it is about. Okay, so I just click on create, and the version will be created for the sketch. And when you watch the versions and history and see, there is a new branch. No, the new version is created just before the main. See, if you want to click on it, it will show here. But here you can't edit because we actually designed in the main, not in the sketch, which means it's like a history. We perform the history. Let's click on the main. Okay, now let's add another change. For that, I'm going to click on it and click on extrude tool and make some give 2-inch extrude operation. Here I add another change to the design. So I want to create another version here. So when I click on it, let's create cylinder. Let's give another name and give version 2 or something as you wish. Okay, and you can also check out the version history and its properties also. Just like nothing but like that. Okay, just need you can change the properties of it, nothing but close it. And here we got created the new version here. But now let's come to the sketch one. Okay. Now what we will do is plug here. Okay. Here we did this change in the main version, but you want to create another version of it. So how you can do that? Right here you can right click on it, or we can create the branch. Here also, okay. In the below the main branch, you can see right click on it, and it will show the branch to create WordPress. Click on, and in name as branch 1 to the clean. So what is meant as here I can see. So when I right click on the cylinder version 2, if the new branch is created, which means from this branch, from this version, there is a new branch will be created. It's like a new timeline. This is this and the timeline. So in this timeline, you can do modifications like I want to add camper to it in the both sides. Then I ask you polystyrene. Okay. Now add the camper to the cylinder, and this camper will happen in the new branch design. Now let's come to the main again, and come to the version 2 again. Okay, right click on it and create another branch. You can create how many branches you want. Let's give cylinder 12 minutes window branch 2. And you can see it created another branch which it notifies with different colors. Now I want to give fillet. Okay. And you can see you can change the difference. You can watch the difference. What are the differences we can add in the different versions. Let's, for example, let's say the branch 1. When you click on the branch 1, it's showing we did a camper. When you click on branch 2, it is showing the fillet one. That branches is started from the main, and the cylinder version. Right? Like this, you can also create branches from here also. I click on it. Click on branch, page, branch. Create. Now see on the sketch, new branch is created. Just edit the sketch. Okay. Now let's bring it into center. Now let's give some dimension to it. Okay, let's give 8. Now let's see. Here we just made a new branch change from the new version sketch. Okay, but let's see whether it changes or not on here. So when I click on cylinder, it No, it does not affect it. It's because we just created a branch from from the sketch, but didn't change the history. Okay, just like this, you can do that. And if you want to change the history, you can't do that when you create the version. Okay, it's not ever possible to edit the version, but you can do edits from the main. Okay, that's editing. Now give the animation to down in a scale and click. Let's see if the branches are affected or not. They're not affected because they got branches from the H1 and cylinder, not from the main. And you can't. And if you want to merge into current workspace, there is the option called merge into current workspace. And click on it. So when you click on it, we are going to merge branch 1 to the main. So it shows the overall mesh strategy. If branch 1 tab has changes compared with the base, make changes compared with the tab 1 and replace the main. So click on merge and see the changes. Now you can see we match the branch with the main. So the overall effect will get changed because we changed the sketch here. That is up to 2 ml. Okay, so the main branch will revert to before this much. If you want to revert to the matching before, so we can undo this operation as well, but I don't want it. Okay, and let's come to this cylinder 1 and this new sketch one. Let's compare. Select any two. Okay, here you can see there is a compare history and trace. Okay, click on it and select it. I want to compare this whole sketch and the new sketch. Okay, so it will show the comparison difference between them. So it shows is the sketch 1 is not equal to sketch 2. Let's click on it. And when you click on the sketch, you can see this is 1 and this is 2. The blue one is and that one is new sketch. It is actually showing the labels here. You can observe it. This is the difference from sketch version 1 to new branch sketch, which just created from the sketch 1 version. So like this, you can control and play with the version history and create how many branches you want. That depends upon your wish. It is made useful for when you work with the product design and you want to make different changes to the design. So from one sketch, it will be very useful for controlling the versions. If you want to skip it, just click on it and do it. Okay, let's click on it again and unclick it. Now we'll return back to the original sketch past. Right here, you can not only with the past studio, you can this version history wholly controlled with the old document. Okay, either with the assembly or past studio, everything will control in this version history. Okay, and it might be useful when you work as a team members on single design and you want to every team member have a perspective ideas, right? So with the same input data, every team member can design in a single work with single document and gives different version branches and create their own design within single document without using multiple documents inside. This is how to work with the branches and version histories in Onshape, which is very useful for collaborating product design or product development. Okay guys, I hope you might understand what I am trying to teach you in this video. If you really understand and like it, please do like, share and subscribe our channel guys. It will be very helpful for us to get the more content. And thanks for watching.